The move. The move to Waganoxing was in the fall of November 11, 2013. It was a big step. We used to come to the annual Jingtamak every second weekend in August. It was sort of like our family tradition that my mom started around 2007. We loved it. The move from Chicago was a big change. The neighborhood we were living in was getting a little too rough for the kids. We didn't want them to be in dangerous situations of city life. It was hard at first moving into a new town with the reluctancy of the kids. They had also left their friends and their comfort zone. They didn't understand, as a parent, we were trying to give them a better future. As a member of the Little Traverse Bay Band of Odawa Indians, it was a great opportunity to bring my family to a place back to the home of our ancestors, and as a way to reconnect to our culture. I love all the activities and workshops that bring the Anishinaabe closer, like the Family Olympics in Mount Pleasant, the farm that we get to pick fresh vegetables, the language classes, the education opportunities, and all the other services that the tribe provides. A great accomplishment happened here. My oldest son graduated with his associate's degree at North Central Michigan College and is continuing his education at Central Michigan University. Waganoxing is a place where I can call home and a place we can relearn our ways. My niece, my brother, and my aunt also had made this move. My mom would have loved that we all moved here. She would have been so happy. I know she's watching from the spirit world, smiling.